Let's write opposite words in Chinese. Number 1, shi. Shi means wet, and its opposite is kan. Kan means dry. Number 2 word is chu kou. Chu kou. It means exit. Its opposite is ru kou. Ru kou. It means entrance. The third one is jin. Jin. It means near. Its opposite is yuan. Yuan. It means far. The fourth one is zo. Zo. Zo means left. Its opposite is yo. Yo. Yo means right. Fifth one is man. Man. Man means slow. And its opposite is huai. Huai means fast.